Now we are testing Stanley excavator S15-9. Push up the machine and come back. Test the one side drive. The final drive is good. Now let's check the other side. Slowing, stop, push up. This side is good. Then come back. Try another direction to reverse. Good. Come back. Slowing to test if there's any gap on the slowing ring. It's good. Now let's extend. Push up again. Push up to the maximum. Let's do the digging. This is a real job the excavator have to do. It's a very powerful machine. It can dig the dry land very easy. Fill it, refill it. Now we need to dig deeper, and then slowing, back the other side very smoothly. There's no gap, horizontal and vertical. It's a good machine. Now refill it. Use it as a compactor. This excavator, this is Stanley 215 SY215 excavator. It was refurbished to a very good condition. The bucket is very good. Okay, the other operator take over. Now he's twisting. He will fill this land by himself. Level the land. Compactor, sorry, he used it as a compactor. So excavator, he said it's a king of machinery because the excavator can do so many works. Stanley 215C-9 That is a very classic design of 21-ton excavator. Very famous domestically and internationally, using very good spare parts all over the world. And it is a manual injector, manual diesel injector, so that is very easy to maintain and repair. Now let's pack it well. You can see we have a lot of tiny excavator here. This is a truck Alex. Okay, I've changed the name. This is an excavator Alex.